Alright, so we are replacing the front fender now. I got the side molding off right here. Hard to see, kind of weird to point at it. So now I'm just kind of cleaning up the area around it. This is the new fender, which is nice and smooth. That's the old fender over there that's all jacked up. Just gotta pull the clips off that one, put it on here, and then get it ready to be bolted on. We're good to go. Alright, so I got the other fender on. Just need to readjust it here a little bit. It's a little bit of a gap. But I got it back far enough. I just need to adjust this gap a little bit too. I'll do that later. This fender needs to be replaced, but I decided not to put it on even though it's really bad because this door is messed up here. And since this is crushed and it keeps coming up, I always push this back down, kind of get it looks halfway decent. I want to try to find a new door. If I can't find a new door, then I'm going to fix the trim and fix the door here. But I'm not going to replace this until after I find that, because if I have to sand this, I don't want to sand onto the new fender. So, because the new fenders are like really nice, so I'm going to put that one in the shed and just hold on to it. So not much left to go on the old daily. It's looking good though. So when I do the other fender, I'll do like a how to take the fenders off because it's kind of a pain in the butt. But yeah, it looks pretty good. It's not perfect, but good enough. You guys take it easy. Peace.